We take you now to Kermit the Frog for another fast-breaking news story.
Hi all, this is Kermit the Frog speaking to you from the beautiful princess's palace, where the story is that today she is going to choose from among her loyal subjects, she's going to choose one of them to be her prince. And we're waiting now for the beautiful princess to make her appearance here. I think I hear her coming now. Ah, look at that. That's the beautiful princess. Excuse me, beautiful princess. Kermit the Frog here, Sesame Street News. I wonder if you could just answer a couple questions for our viewers out there.
Certainly, little
Do you know which of your subjects you're going to choose to be your prince?
Well, I don't know, but I can give you a clue.
You're going to give us a clue. Okay, wonderful. You just speak into the microphone. What is the clue?
He has bulgy eyes.
Bulgy eyes! I got bulgy
Bulgy
eyes!
eyes.
I have bulgy eyes too.
Yeah, that lets me out.
Oh,
Yeah, well, me too. I don't have bulgy eyes. I might as well leave.
Well, a couple of the people who didn't have bulgy eyes just left back there, Princess.
Sorry, fellas.
Can you tell us anything else about him?
Well, he has a funny voice.
He has a funny
A
voice.
funny voice!
I have a funny voice.
Yeah, well, mine's pretty
But
funny.
I don't have a funny voice. I guess
I'm
that lets
afraid
me out.
mine's not too funny either. No,
Well, look at that. Okay, well, a couple more of the people who did not have funny voices just left. What else can you tell us about the prince?
Well, I can tell you that he has such small ears that you can hardly see them.
Uh-huh.
Well,
He has small ears, huh?
I have big ears. I guess
You're
that
telling me.
lets me out, huh? Okay, well, it's my
So long.
here.
Well, there again. Okay, one more person there with big ears just left. What else can you tell us about him, Princess?
He's wearing a hat and coat.
Hey, a hat and coat!
hat
I'm
and
wearing a
coat.
hat and coat! It's me!
I'm not wearing a hat or coat.
No, you're not.
guess it's not me. I better leave.
It's not.
Okay,
Sorry.
well, listen, Princess,
boy.
we're narrowing the field down.
It's me,
There's
right?
almost nobody left here. Is there anything else you can tell us about him?
Just one more thing.
Whoa,
One more
what's
thing?
that?
What's that?
He's a frog.
Oh, well, guess I'm out of luck. I thought I had a chance for a minute there. Sorry.
Okay, well, another person left there who wasn't a frog. We'll just see who's left here. There's nobody left here. Wait a minute. I'm a frog.
I know. I read in a book that if a princess kisses a frog, he turns into a handsome prince.
Yeah, but wait a minute.
Then here I go.
Well, as you can see, I'm not about to change into any handsome prince, but
Nidip, nidip.
holy cow. Listen, you're a rather attractive young frog there, Princess. You want to go to the hop?
Okay.
Uh-huh. Come on.